Hey everyone, Brett with the Braids by Brett Academy, and today I've got a quick little video just showing you guys how to attach Conways and scissor snaps, so let's get right into it. Alright, so we're going to pick up the tail end of the reins here. This is the front, the back looks like that. I've got my Conway in the other hand, so the tail end we're going to thread it from the bottom, make sure the Conway is facing up, the point is up. Thread it from the bottom. You want to give yourself enough room to work with, probably enough. Thread it down the other side. Make sure there's no twists in it. Pick up your scissor snap. Same thing, your scissor snap, you want it to be facing upwards. Thread it through. Slide it closer to your Conway. And now you're going to take the tail end. Go up from the bottom, over top of this piece here, and drop it down the other side. And then you can tighten it how you want, and there you go. It's really easy. They're easy to adjust after. I'm just pulling on the reins to adjust it, or if you wanted to adjust it the other way, you could grab the back and pull like that. So to shorten, to lengthen, there you go.